Hi guys, welcome back. So in this video, we will talk about the pyramid. So basically the pyramid, which is, we have a vertex right here. And for this pyramid, it is a hexagon pyramid. Because for the base right here, we do have 6 sides. So 6 sides is a hexagon. And we call this one hexagon pyramid. For the formula of the pyramid, which is V represent for the volume, equal 1/3 times base, this is the area, and times the height. Okay, so for this question, we've been told the base area is 48 millimeters and the height is 9 millimeters. So we can find the volume is equal 1/3 times 48 times 9. So we simplify this, we will have the answer, which is 144 millimeter cube, because this is the volume. Okay, this is the volume. Alright, let's see next example. So for this one, we have the base, which is 4. We don't know the area of the base, but we know the side, the edge of the base, and the height, which is 5. So then we want to find the volume of this pyramid. So let's see the base first, because we know the volume formula is 1/3 times the base area times the height. So let's see the base area. So this is basically the base area, which you can see this is a square. That is a square. So if this is square, we know the square area is length times width, or side times side, which means the base will be 4 times 4 is 16. Okay, so there are a lot of questions, they just tell you the side, they won't tell you the base area. You have to figure out the base area on your own. Okay, so you should link it with the area formulas we learned before. So now let's plug it in. So 1/3 times the base area, which is 16, times the height, which is 5. So the answer will be 80/3. Okay, 80/3. That will be the answer, since we have no unit for this, so we just leave it. Okay, leave the answers like this. Alright, so I will see you in next video. That's all for today. Thank you for listening. Bye.